What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change Facebook region settings. So you might be wondering how to exactly change your Facebook region, or just typically speaking your language in your Facebook account. So typically, in order for you to change that, you need to visit your settings. Now at the top right here, you should be able to see a 3-bar icon, or your profile that has a 3-bar icon at the bottom right on it. Let's go and click on it. Now let's go and click on the gear icon at the top right here, which is our settings. And you want to go scroll down a bit here. Now you should see preferences, so you want to look for language and region under it. Now from then on, you want to go and just choose the appropriate option for you that you want to change. Like for example, you have the language for buttons, titles, and other text from Facebook. Now if you want to change that, you just click on it and just basically choose the language that you want to use for this specific setting here. Now there are going to be a bunch of customizations like try here. So right now you have like 5 options, or 5 language settings that you could actually change here in the language and region settings. So yeah. So in this case, if you just want to change your actual account's region, like for example your hometown or whatever you're currently living at, so you could actually go to your profile here and just click on edit profile, and you just want to go and scroll down a bit here, and you can just specify your current town or city here, or your current hometown. So if you want to click on it and just basically provide those details as you can see right now. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.